How people never wanna act on their dreams. Minimize your negativity and hop on your feet, cause we super duper blessed. I don't wanna repeat everything that I'm saying. I'm Ben, and you're currently watching Ben Mantra. We currently have a giveaway going on. All you gotta do is go to the Gleam link in the description, enter. There's 3 ways to enter, and we have the new icon collection. Go down top, link in the description below as well to cop the icon collection. And today's video, we have all of this to go over today. We have a huge haul, huge clothing haul. This was like 2 months of purchases, so let's get into it. Spring is coming up. Summer is coming up right around the corner, so I had to cop some new things. So let's take a look at this. The thumbnail for this was crazy hard to balance all this, but let's take a look at all this. First things first, we have the Apple Airpods. Let me just put the stack down to the side real quick. So first things first, we have the Apple Airpods. I'm super excited to finally have a pair of these. Let's cut to the unboxing clip. I unboxed these. Here we have a little unboxing. Right here we have the Airpods. Let's open this box up. I've been wanting these for a while. They've been sold out like everywhere. So let's take a look. Got the receipt. Whew, here they are. The Airpods right there. There's a box right there. You got the Apple right there. Apple logo there. Airpods, Apple. Here they are. Retail $160. Let's open up the box. Kind of want to preserve the box or the wrapping, but who cares? Just wrapping paper or whatever, shrink wrap or whatever. Let's tear that off. Here they are, the Airpods right there. Whew. Designed by Apple in California. These don't come with Apple stickers, unfortunately. Got all that. Here they are. Whew. These things are actually pretty heavy. This is actually pretty heavy. Over here, you just got the normal Apple cable. All right, let's open them up. There they are, the Apple Airpods. Let's flip it open. There they are, the Apple Airpods. So here are my Apple Airpods. I did get a case from a red case right here. And yeah, so these are amazing. This is like the best $200 I spent on a pair of headphones. These work so great. So next things up are from the Arnold Classic. I did go to the Arnold Classic to see the Strength Cartel. I did get the Strength Cartel hat right there with the SC. Strength Cartel on the left side. This is super sick. Definitely wearing this all summer. And then I did get the Strength Cartel t-shirt right here. It's like Ohio State theme, but it is the C. As you can see, it is the Strength Cartel C. Strength Cartel right there. Very sick t-shirt. So moving right along, you might see videos of some of these things on my channel pretty soon. Like these, the review on these. These are the Fashion Nova shorts. I did a review not too long ago, like last video. The last video, check out the video. I did a review on these shorts. Not going to go over them in too much detail. You can check out the review for that. These shorts are amazing quality. That's all I'm going to say. Check out the review to know more about these, the price and all that. Next thing up is something I am super excited for. In May 24th, my birthday, I will be dropping season 1. So here's one of the pieces. Here's another piece right here. The black tee. And you got the baby blue tank top, which I'm super excited for. Let's open this up, take it out of the bag. I did release a hoodie, and that did really, really well. So I am releasing the tank top right here. This tank top fits amazing. My logo with the flames on it. Super sick. You got the designed by Ben Mantra tag, sizing, all that right there. Super sick piece coming out May 24th, my birthday. So definitely stay tuned for that. Follow the Instagram Ben Mantra Shop to get notified. I will be unveiling more pieces as the drop gets closer. And the tank top will release for 25 bucks. T-shirt will be 30. So yeah, you know, I did up the prices because the quality is a lot better on the t-shirt and tank top. So moving right along, I don't want to make this video too long. We have some Hype Talk merch right here from Richie Lee and Tang and Big Boy Johnny right here. We have the Hype Talk Racing t-shirt. This t-shirt is super sick. Went on the website, finally copped this. This is going to be perfect for summer. You know, the white shirts. I really don't have a lot of white t-shirts. Trying to get that up for Instagram and all that. Definitely see me in a picture on Instagram wearing this t-shirt. Very nice t-shirt, very nice quality. I think this was $35 to $40 for this shirt. And I do have another one right there coming up. But yeah, super sick t-shirt, nice quality, very thick. Kind of like this one coming out May 24th. Let's move right along. The next t-shirt, I purchased a lot of things in the past 2 months. I did not think I purchased this much. But we have the Post Malone t-shirt right here, Posty Co. Let's open this up. This is like a faded t-shirt. That's why I liked it. It's kind of a vintage wash. And the graphic on the back is sick. But on here, you got a snake wrapped around a barbed wire with Posty Co. You got a dragon and fire on the back. Very, very sick design. This t-shirt ran me $50. But for the quality of this t-shirt, it's definitely well worth it. It's not like normal merch. Very nice quality t-shirt. Definitely be seeing me wearing this a lot this upcoming summer. So yeah, moving on right along. We got another Hype Talk shirt. This is from a vintage game, NBA Jam. They took that inspiration and put Hype Talk on the t-shirt. And this is a champion collab right there. Where's its sleeve? Where's its C? Champion right there. This is very sick, very nice. I love the graphics on this. I love how they printed the graphics. It's very nice. And yeah, definitely love this shirt. This shirt was what, $40? I can't even remember how much it was. 40 to 50 bucks, I'm not sure. But definitely well worth the quality. And the graphics are amazing. I don't have a red shirt. So, this is my red shirt. This is my red shirt. Or actually, I do. I have a red shirt coming up again. So, yeah, very nice quality. Let's move right along. I don't know how long this video is. Okay, so here we have the Migos drip tee from the Migos concert. I ordered this like a while back and it finally arrived. So here we have it. Is a Migos tie-dye in the drip right there. You got 3 drips right there. Very nice quality. I love the tie-dye in this t-shirt. You can kind of see like the water effect right there. Very nice t-shirt. Very nice quality. Very happy I picked this up. This was really cheap too. It was like 35 bucks. So you can't go wrong with this t-shirt. Definitely summer vibes, vacation vibes right here. Love this t-shirt. Let's move on. So here we have a Fear of God right here. Fear of God package right here. I don't even think I opened this one yet. So let's open this up. Bag is like a little ripped right there. So here we have the mesh jersey. Oh yeah, this feels nice. I forgot how much this was, like 90 or 100, I forgot. But here it is. It says Essentials, Fear of God, Essentials. You got the V-neck. It is a mesh jersey. On the back, it does say Essentials in the white. I don't think there's going to be a review on my channel of this. If you want to see a review, definitely let me know in the comments, and I definitely will do a review. But it's just a mesh jersey. Definitely very nice quality, very thick, and it's definitely well worth the money. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I might sell it. I might not. But if I do sell it, I will let you guys know. But definitely expect a picture on my Instagram of this. We have 3 items left. This thing has been going on forever. So here we have Fear of God Essentials bag number 2. Here we have them right here. These I had to cop. Once I got this Fear of God sweats, I had to cop the Fear of God shorts in that same gray color. I love this gray. You know, you can mess up on grays a lot. I love the heathering of this gray. You got Essentials on the left right there. And then you got the long drawstrings that come standard on every Fear of God short, pant, whatever. Essentials Fear of God. I did get these in a size large, and they do fit great. Sizing, they do fit above the knee. I will be doing a full review on these, so definitely stay tuned for that. Not going to speak too much on them. You do got the tags and all that. Stay tuned to the channel for that. Last t-shirt here, last clothing item. We have the Sample Industries t-shirt. So open this one up. You got the Sample Industries t-shirt right here. You got one of few. You got a sample sticker. You got sample in a globe. On the back, you got global, and this is in a vintage heather. I love this vintage heather look, so definitely going to see a picture in this on my Instagram. If you want to see all my Instagram pics, man, they are definitely going to become fire upcoming spring, summer. Follow my Instagram, benmancha_. Follow my clothing Instagram, benmancha_shop, to get notified when I drop new items. Last but not least, we have a sneaker unboxing, which you've already seen these on my channel. 2 videos ago, 3 videos ago are the Nike Air Skyline 2s. These ones right here, Nike Air Fear God Skyline 2s in the black colorway. I'm looking for the sale colorway when it releases. I'm not really sure when it's releasing, but this colorway is sick. This goes with so many fits. Love this shoe. Love what Jerry's doing with Nike. Look forward to more collabs. If you want to see the full review on this shoe, definitely go to my YouTube, like 2 to 3 videos down. Subscribe, enter the giveaway, all that. Definitely will be doing this a lot more if you guys really rock with the monthly hauls. So definitely let me know down below, like the video, enter the giveaway, cop the new icon collection, and that's going to wrap it up for the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe, and remember, always create.